What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me on D's Analysis. Today we're going to be looking at SMCi. We've been riding along this trend line here since July 2022. We've had a couple bounces off of it, took off significantly, and had a major pullback to it. Broke down below the trend line, pushed through this now resistant, or it was resistance, now support, been chopping around, and now we're back to the level where this same level is acting as support. And now it looks like we have been making higher lows. So let's see if this low holds and we push up higher. That'd be very good. Be a nice little comeback after this major move from the top to bottom. We had an 85% move down. That is insane. And from that bottom, we've pushed up to a high of 280, and we're currently up 110 off the bottom. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, on the weekly, we are in the middle on the blue line, looking for a bounce up. On the daily, we're pushing towards the green band, the lower band at the moment. But we do have this support level still, so things could be looking good there. In terms of the SMAs, we're still above the 20 and the 200, but we are underneath the 50. So if we can get a break above that 50 and break this trend line, then I think we can push back to all-time highs and beyond. It's a very volatile stock, so things can get moving very quick with this stock. And on the daily, we are underneath all the SMAs. So we have some resistance above our head for sure. But like I said, this can get going very quickly and can take off in an instant. I mean, you can look in each leg here. I'm actually gonna see how high these were. See if I can drag it over. See if that leg coincides with this one. Almost about the same. They're almost the same height. So if we were to say that from this next leg up, if this were to happen, maybe that puts us right back at all-time highs or something like that. There's no exact way of figuring it out, but we can just have an educated guess. From this leg up, we ran up 350%. From this leg up, we ran up about 290. So let's see what this next leg up has to bring. Let's say if this were the hypothetical bottom, nobody knows, not financial advice. Let's say this is a 300% move. Maybe that puts us at $140. And maybe we go beyond that, because as you can see, it was a leg up, sideways, leg up. So maybe it's a leg up till 140, sideways, and then another leg up. It all depends on how the overall economy is doing, how the entire stock market's doing. But overall, this is looking a lot better than it was in early 2024. This thing was getting slaughtered. I mean, 85% down is insane. But the volume still remains high, especially compared to these previous years. You can see how much higher the volume was. I mean, you had a couple peaks here, but the volume has been consistently high, whether downside or to the upside. But let's see if this can turn to some green candles here and we explode up higher. Until then, see you in the next one.